Simplify 5x minus 6 divide x plus 6 less than 1. So first we can multiply both sides by x plus 6. So 5x minus 6 divide x plus 6 times x plus 6 less than x plus 6. Okay, so this one and this one out, it means 5x plus 6 out. Now 5x minus 6 less than x plus 6. Now we can add 5x minus 6 plus 6, and here is x plus 6 plus 6. So 5x and less than x plus 12. Now we can subtract x both sides. So 5x minus x and x plus 12 minus x. So here is 4x less than plus x and minus x out. So here is 12. So now we can divide both sides by 4. So x equals to less than 3, and this is our answer. Thank you.